Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to export Looker Studio data in Google Sheets. It's extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. First of all, you cannot export the entire dashboard in Google Sheets. You need to export everything one chart and one table at a time. And all you have to do is to hover on top of any chart or any table. You're going to click the three dots. You're going to say here export, you're going to say Google Sheets, and from there you're going to click on export, and here we go. So now the system will send the data of this chart in Google Sheets, and you can see here the data came in a very structured and nice way. The same thing you can do with every single chart, right? Every single chart, every single table. So let's say this table, we click here on more, we export on Google Sheets, and that's all. Now, as I said before, unfortunately, you cannot export the entire dashboard into Google Sheets, but you can export any chart or any table by simply following this logic, clicking on the three dots, and then exporting the data on Google Sheets. That's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day in any time zone. Thank you, everyone.